this tutorial, I'm going to talk about the ways to earn reward points on your UOB credit card. In order to earn reward points on your UOB credit card, you could follow these steps. So first thing first, open up your application or a browser and then log into your UOB account. So basically, to earn reward points on your UOB credit card by making purchases with the card or signing up for the card and transaction with participating merchants. Now, if you want to do it by making purchases, then you can earn points for every purchases you make with your UOB credit card. Now, the number of points you earn depends on the type of card that you have and the amount you spend. Now, let's consider you might earn 1 point for each day. For each THB 15 spent with the UOB Priv Miles Card, or 2 points for each TBH 25 spent with your UOB Premium Card. Next, or the step number 2, the ways to earn is that signing up. You can earn sign-up bonuses for signing up for a UOB credit card as well. Step number 3, the transaction with participating merchant. You could earn bonus point for transacting with merchants that are part of UOB reward points. Likewise, you could redeem your reward point for gift, discounts, or mileage. For example, you could redeem UOB Reward Plus Catalog gift discount at participating merchants or mileage for Royal Orchid Plus, Singapore Airlines, and Crossfires and Asian Miles. With that, you've come to an end. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.